Good afternoon from a very rainy Chatham Square. I don't even live here. We're here with Gary. We're going to go to Blizzard Beach, hopefully, if it's not raining that much. It's been closed all day, I think. But it's 4:15 now, and we're going to see, hopefully, if we can get in and have a swim. Closes at 8 tonight, so hopefully the rain will have stopped and we can just have some fun. We've got the GoPro as well, so we can actually get some footage on the slides as well. But we're going to get some backstage, behind the scenes of Gary.
Pretty much. So we're gonna head out, grab some lunch, and then see.
Oh yeah, I forgot to say we're gonna go get some food.
Or if not, I did plan to get Old Town Kissimmee tonight, and you've probably already figured it out by the title of this video where we end up going, but we're gonna figure it out as we go. Behind the scenes, the one and only.
Okay, we're gonna get on the bus, we'll see you there. After what felt like an eternity on the bus, we've made it to Blizzard Beach. I love a good water park, I can't wait to do some swimming. But the humidity, as Gary said in his vlog, is so bad.
It's terrible,
that,
the cameras are steaming up.
It's just steaming up, so I'm just gonna turn it off and we'll see you in a minute. It's probably easier that way. Oh my goodness, I apologise.
There's only one thing. We're gonna get all the slides on.
Yeah, we are. Hang on, look, ready? So, my favourite thing about the water parks here is even the water parks have a story. So, Blizzard Beach is a melting ski resort, but you can see here
Nice.
that you've got that, and whoever was going down it clearly didn't stop. The theming is everything for me. When you listen to the music here, and I'm going to turn myself around. So like when you listen to the music here, it's Christmas music, but on like steel drums and stuff. So it's so summery and stuff. The theming's amazing.
It is great. Look at the lodge. Water lodge.
But this is Disney's newest water park, even though it's quite old. It is their newest water park.
And there we are.
See, look, there's Christmas music there. Feliz Navidad.
That's where we're going to. That's the main attraction.
Yeah, and it's a walk-on. Okay, we found some beds. There's Blizzard Beach. Yay, it's gonna be fun. I have sun cream on my face. We're changed, we're ready, and we're gonna get the GoPro out and go on some slides. See what we can do in the next 2 hours before the park's closed. So we'll get the GoPro out and we'll see you in the pool. We are here at the red slides. We're gonna try and work our way around the park. Gary is gonna be sharing the GoPro.
Yes, I am. I'm gonna steal in your footage.
Oh, absolutely. So we're gonna work our way around the park and just get on what we can before it closes. We've got 2 hours. So we're gonna start you off on this one here. It's Runoff Rapids. It used to be 3 slides, now it's only 2.
I'm not looking forward to get.
Oh, I love water slides. Yay. My left foot hurts. Woo! Hey. No! It's actually quite cold. Didn't think ahead. Whoa! Woo! We are getting to the end. Hey! Woo! I forgot how much fun this is. There we go. Ready? Here we go.
Oh, we're spending already.
Woo! Oh! Woo!
I'm coming for you.
Woo!
Oh, I like this.
That was good. We've completed the red slopes.
Yeah, we have.
They were great. There's not many of them. There used to be 3, there's now 2. We're going to go do the purple slopes now. So it's the 2 mats and the downhill double dipper.
Yes.
So let's...
I'm so excited.
Yeah?
It's so cold out today.
It is.
Compared to usual, but
the whole
it's
thing...
great still because there's no lines.
Yeah, I know, right? Guess what's been filming upside down the whole time?
Oh, it's okay, you can flip it.
Yeah, I know. Okay, let's go. Maybe we do the mats first.
Yeah?
It's quicker to get on, that's all.
Alright. You ready? Yeah. Ready to lose? No. Off we go. I'm Christian already. Woo! Oh, the timer didn't stop. That sucked, the timer didn't stop. I got further. That was great.
So we changed our minds, we went on downhill double dipper just because it was a quick queue. Gary has never done it before, I don't think. He doesn't remember.
Younger, but it's been like at least 12, 13 years since I was here. Probably.
Yeah.
That was great.
You're at work when you're not at work.
Yeah.
So now we're going to go and do the mat slides.
Yes.
This is what I like. So I'll hold on to the camera first, and then Gary will hold on to the camera for the race.
Which one? Yeah,
we're doing not the race first.
Okay.
We're going to do the.
I'm looking forward to the races.
You see,
you've got a bit more weight though, so you can not in a nasty way.
George, you're fat. You're going to win.
No, but you can use your your advantage.
Trust me. Oh, I know. Right, we'll figure it out anyways.
Where I have to figure it out of how to beat you.
So we'll see you up there. Yeah! Oh my god, okay. No, I'm gonna hold on to this. Yeah! 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 Yeah!
Are you ready?
Yeah.
I'm on the races now.
Right. On your mark, get set, go!
Yo!
I beat him. Got it. Alright, I'm gonna go back on here. I'm gonna take number 3. Hey George. There's number 2. Hey George. Oh, jeez. Just came off. Oh, I'm not looking at the camera. That'll be a fun video for you.
So we've gone and done our other slides now, just in the wave pool, having 5 with the misty camera. Gary's in the distance. I think it'd be quite dangerous. To be brutally honest with you.
Yeah, it probably would. It's bad enough when you're swimming normally. Oh, this is nice, it's relaxing.
It is proper chill like. There is Gary. You having fun?
Yeah.
I wonder what the time is.
I want to get these slides done before we close.
Alright.
I really don't know
Well,
what time we're on.
let's have just like 5 minutes. Here.
That's good. It's good how it gets like more intense the further out you get. Just taken ashore. What are you doing, George? Just sat with your legs crossed. You're all the way out there. You're all the way. I'm going, George. I'm getting taken ashore. I'm going. Whee! Whee!
It is great.
Now we're gonna hit shore. We're gonna hit shore in a second. Oh!
I just blank it out. We're gonna take the chairlift up to the top.
So excited.
Gary's literally like in his element right now. We are on the chairlift, heading up to, what is this mountain called? Mount something?
Summit.
No, it's, I don't know.
Everest, call it Everest.
Inspiration Falls.
No, I don't want to fall.
Sorry, no, Inspiration Rises. No,
it is kind of like scary, this shit.
Yeah, because we can just kind of see over the edge.
Yeah, your feet are just
Your feet are
dangling,
just here.
hardly anything holding you in, and it's bouncy as heck.
It is.
And it's, I want to go in that one.
We can feel inspired.
That's a bit more
There
safe.
you go, this is what the, featuring and advertising the new Disney Skyliner.
That looks a bit more safe.
Now you can see down there you've got the speedometer for Summit Plummet. So it tells you how fast you go down the slide. 43 miles per hour is actually pretty slow for Summit Plummet.
Yeah.
I've gone 15.6 down Summit Plummet before.
Well, we'll see what we can get then.
So Summit Plummet is 130 feet, something like that. It's 120, 130 feet. And because you have to climb up the second set of barriers at the very top.
Are they coming?
Here they come.
Pain!
Does it hurt? Yes, it does.
42. That was only a child though.
So it's about 130 feet, but to get to the very top you have to climb up these small stairs. And you can see the whole top of it. And when you stand on top of that, you can see the entirety of the Walt Disney World Resort.
Here comes another guy. This has got some power.
That's a big splash.
I can't see the freezing away.
Your attention space rangers, your space cruisers have been temporarily deactivated. For your safety, please remain seated.
I want to do this. It's a bit intense though.
Your mission will resume momentarily. Star Command, over and out. Right, we're nearly at the top. I'm gonna stop filming and start psyching myself up. Although I think we might try the family raft first.
Okay, yeah, we could do that.
Because it's just there. But they say that you can only ride with 4 people on it. But it's really quiet, so I'm gonna see if they can ride it with 2.
If we can, and then we'll just either walk back up.
It's not a long walk. It's not a long walk. This is lovely for like once.
It's nice for the views.
And we will see you later. Where are we going, Gary? Where are we going?
Lie flat on your back with your arms and ankles crossed in front of you. The lifeguard will take you all the way there, so then you can know.
Yeah, you should be.
Your hands and feet inside
I mean, look how high we are.
You can see the whole of the resort. We aren't even up the top yet. We're in the roof of Macca's. Can you see Universal is the question.
And we're just keeping going up.
We're going all the way up there. Oh, we didn't film till Teamboat Springs because we're on there with other people.
Rides on the slopes.
Right, let's go do it.
Are you ready?
Alright.
There you go.
You got it.
You ready?
No, but sure.
Bye.
Just check my bike.
Yeah, you're a bit red.
Yeah.
Me?
It's coming through.
Hey, show us your back, Gary.
Push me back across your arm. You ready?
Thank you.
There you go. It's like, how many
So we've done Summit Plummet and Slush and Gusher. We did Summit Plummet twice. Gary's.
I'm
so
red.
He's very sore. Look at his back. So you got a bit of us, and yeah, you got both of us going down, which is amazing. Park is closing now, but we got here at 5:30. We had some food, and it is almost 8, and we've managed to do the whole park. The thing about Blizzard Beach is it's actually not that big. If we were at, say, Volcano Bay, there's a load of slides to get done. But here there's not loads, but there's always big wait times during the day. But because of the rain today, it was okay. So we're gonna go back, gonna get changed, and we'll talk to you on the camera then because we're going to go into Kissimmee probably.
Yes.
Gary wants to go watch the car show.
I mean, it'll probably be finished by the time we get there.
Oh, okay. Well, there's still some
might be
rides
some
there.
hanging around still. And it's nice down there.
It is. So we made it to Kissimmee. We're just watching the car show now. People, you know, revving their cars and doing their thing. Look at that. Love the look at that. Might walk around, get some food, do some rides as well. Take a look at what's going on. There's a local scare here. It's probably quite a scary one. We might come here at some point and try it, but it is a pretty full-on, intense scare. It's not an easy scare, this one. It's a pretty full-on kind of haunted house, you know. So we decided that we're not going to do the haunt, but we are going to go check out the go-karts. Because this is a fun spot, America Park. So probably going to do some go-karts, maybe a coaster. See what there is to do, take you along for the journey hopefully.
One down.
Oh, pack, my flashing light wand. So I haven't been here in 11 years. So in 2007, there was a roller coaster back here and they moved them all around to the side now. Because you have the crazy couch, you've got to make room for the crazy couch. So I think we're going to work our way around to the side. They have Kissimmee Popcorn Company. They've added some new shops, but it's the classic stuff, which is great. And I know that I know I'm near my old hotel, which I stayed at. That looks wild. Crazy. Looping wooden roller coaster. Let's watch it. They're going round now. Looking forward to watching this. There they come. They're going down. That's pretty cool. So we took it upon ourselves to not actually go on anything. It's pretty expensive here. Yes, that was a bit brief. Everything's quite expensive here. We went and walked around like the arcade and just kind of looked at some stuff like that roller coaster that we showed you. I'm not spending that much money on one ride. It was $10 for a ride. No, no thank you. It's just different, you know. So we're just gonna go find a place to eat. Maybe come back here another time if if more people want to come down. I love the 192. Everything's on the 192. It just brings back memories of like previous holidays. So we might just go and find a place to eat. Probably going to eat back by Vista and then go back to housing because we have breakfast at Boardwalk tomorrow morning. Big I can't remember the name of it, but it's character breakfast. That'll be fun. So we need to catch those early nights. But coming back to Old Town was cool. It was really amazing. And I'm now worried about what's in the grass. Let's see what Gary's up to. Gary's just doing his thing. We're probably just gonna head back. Machine Gun America. Yeah. Okay, we'll see you wherever we end up. So over there, you probably can't see it, but that's a flea market right next to a Machine Gun America. We're gonna go take a look at Machine Gun America as it's a shooting range, and I'd love to experience it. If not, apparently you can just buy guns from the flea market next door because, you know, America. But we're gonna have to cross, and there's a Denny's. Yes.
As always.
Love me a Denny's. Oh, look at that bus stop. So I love the 192. It's my best right there. So we're here at Machine Gun America. It is closed, but we're probably going to come back. I'm not sure how much it costs, but you can fire everything here. They have semi-automatic, full automatic,
I like to give
pistols.
I like to give like handgun and like a automatic. go.
And there's so much you can try. If this is your kind of thing, you know, you're an American, you want to, you know, use your Second Amendment right, even if you're not an American.
They got food trucks right here as well.
The food trucks.
Right in Epcot, with all different international foods.
Inspiring. Inspiration Falls. But I might go to the flea market. See what there is. So, I just finished editing this, and it seems I forgot to film an outro. What a shock. Not much really happened. We kind of went for food and then went home. That's kind of it. The next video is going to be a breakfast character dining thing, and we're going to go to Universal, so that will be up soon, I hope. But thanks a lot for sticking around for the end of this, and yeah, see you in the next video.